Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I know it's a little noisy out here, but today we're going to see what my husband's learned about cutting women's hair. He cut it a couple of months ago and did a pretty good job of just straight cut. Today we're going to see if he's been practicing, if he's watched YouTube videos, or what he's done, and he took the advice of several of our subscribers. You ladies gave him some advice. Let's see if he learned anything. Let's see how he does the second time. I mean, it still looks pretty good. And lots of you told me the only difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut is a few days. So if he whacks it up, guess what? It'll be all right. So right now, I think he's on the tractor. I'm gonna have to get him off the tractor to give me a haircut, you know? But let's go get Danny. So you ready to cut my hair?
Oh, we're gonna cut hair. Hang on.
So have you learned anything yet on cutting hair?
I don't know if I've learned anything or not, but I just...
Have you watched YouTube videos?
No.
Oh, you hadn't watched anybody cut hair?
Nope. I trimmed animals' hair.
Darn.
Whenever I was showing cows, I used to trim all their hair. Did a pretty good job because I always end up with blue ribbons.
Reckon I'll get a blue ribbon, baby? Let's go see.
It'll grow back.
It'll grow back. All right, guys. Maybe he's learned something. Look at here. Professional. Oh, you're joking me, okay?
Yeah.
Loose him a little bit. Okay guys, what did he do? I couldn't see it. I gotta go edit. Alright baby, what do you think?
It looks fine to me.
You like it?
Yep, we'll know when it dries.
Okay guys, husband cuts wife's hair. Time 2. Layered look. We're gonna see. I'm gonna go blow it a little bit and see what it looks like. So, did he do a good job the second time with a layered look? Thank you. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. I think it looks okay. I'm okay with it. And guess what, guys? It'll grow out. And it's going to be in a ponytail half the time anyway. That's just the way I am. I like it in a ponytail. But when I'm going somewhere, this is what you get. My husband cutting my hair. And I like it.